Nothing like sitting in a 6.4 Power Stroke first thing in the morning to do a regen because it's having problems with his exhaust. Then to top it off, you've got 35 intervolts of, I believe, 60 seconds each. If I remember right, let's see what it says here. Yep. So you kind of get the idea. Sitting here, making sure stuff don't catch on fire. Checking out the front of the building. Nice over cloud day today. Not 100 degrees. Only 85, I think. But yeah, it's gonna be a good old hour sitting here doing nothing, having fun, working on nothing but Fords. Especially on a Wednesday morning. But once again, the subscribers on the channel have went up tremendously over the past couple days, thanks to one person, Mr. Max, and all the subscribers on the channel as well. If you guys ever need anything, let me know. StrokerDiesel.com. Or give us a call, 801-973-3842. Have a good Wednesday.